6-minute tutorial for beginners. Crocheting a puff stitch keychain. Yarn, 4-ply cotton. Hook, 2.5 millimeters. Start with the chain. Hold the yarn between your ring finger and pinky. Bring it over your index finger and pinch it. Twist the yarn downward to form a loop. Press the crossover point with your thumb. Insert the hook through the loop. Catch the yarn over your index finger. And pull it through. Tighten the shorter end. This completes the starting stitch, essentially a slip knot. This initial loop does not count as a stitch. Do not pull the loop too tight. The hook should still move freely. Next, crochet a chain. Wrap the yarn from bottom to top over the hook and pull through the loop. This is one chain. From the side, the stitch looks like a V. That's the stitch. The strand on the back is called the back bar. Make another chain. Yarn over and pull through. Do not crochet the chain too tightly, or it will be difficult to insert into the back bar. Now loosen the loop to about the height of 2 chains. Hold it with your middle finger. Then work a 5/2 double crochet cluster into the back bar of the first chain. Yarn over, hold it. Insert the hook into the back bar of the first chain. Yarn over and pull through, raising it to the same height as the right side. Pinch it. This is one unfinished half double crochet. Repeat 4 more times. Yarn over, hold, insert into the back bar. Yarn over. Pull through, raise to the same height. This is the second unfinished half double crochet. Repeat 3 more times, all into the back bar of the first chain. Be sure to hold it to prevent the loops from loosening. Keep the height of each unfinished half double crochet consistent for a neat finish. If 5 stitches are too challenging, you can make 4. After 5 stitches, yarn over and pull through all loops. This completes one 5/2 double crochet cluster. Then crochet 2 chains. 1, 2. Loosen the loop to about 2 chains high. Work the next 5/2 double crochet cluster into the strand above the cluster, that is, the back bar of the first chain. Yarn over. Insert into the back bar, pull through, raise to the same height. This is one unfinished half double crochet. Make 4 more. After 5 stitches, yarn over and pull through all loops. This completes 2 clusters. Repeat the second cluster pattern until you reach the desired length. Complete the rest on your own. No repeated demonstration. When finished, you can compare the length. Then, crochet 2 chains. Leave a long tail for weaving in. And cut the yarn. Pull tight. Next, switch to white yarn for the edging. Leave 2 clusters unworked on each end. Reattach the yarn in the gap between the second and third clusters. Pull the yarn through. Yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the starting stitch. Does not count as a stitch. Work a single crochet in the same gap. Single crochet demonstration. Insert the hook into the same gap. Place the white yarn tail over the hook. To hide it while crocheting, yarn over. Pull through the gap. You now have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops. This completes one single crochet. Tighten the white yarn tail. From the side, the stitch also looks like a V. Then crochet 2 chains. In the next gap between 2 clusters, work a single crochet. Insert the hook. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through both loops. Then, crochet 2 chains. This completes 2 groups. Repeat this pattern throughout. Work a single crochet in each gap between clusters, with 2 chains between each single crochet. Continue until the end of this side, leaving the last 2 clusters unworked. Complete the rest on your own. When you reach the end of this side, after the last single crochet, crochet 2 chains, turn to the other side, and repeat the same pattern along the remaining section. Stop at the corresponding position on this side after the last single crochet. Crochet 2 chains, and slip stitch into the first single crochet to join. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Yarn over and pull through the loop on the right. Tighten. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Use a tapestry needle to hide the yarn ends. Turn to the wrong side, weave the yarn through several stitches, and trim excess. Do the same with other yarn tails. Fold the piece in half. Use the long tail to sew the sides together. Insert the needle through the gaps between clusters on both sides. Sew through multiple times to reinforce. Pass through the gap, as if making a knot. Bring the yarn tail to the space between 2 clusters. Then, wrap the yarn around the gap between 2 clusters to secure. Pass through the loop to knot, and make another slip knot. Weave in the remaining yarn tail with a tapestry needle. Done.